I like what they did with the gold.
Oh, like you could buy back
No, sorry, not the gold bars. Well, that's cool too. But like how if you land in the gold water, it like.
Oh yeah,
it's like,
it gives you like the little effect.
Yeah, but I like how subtle it is. That's a cool touch. Like it's not overpowered. Like
There's a little guy over here somewhere. Seen him, he's flying in on the jelly.
Outlaw Oasis.
Oh yeah, there you come.
Said Ampicula, Bumpy Goopy Gula, Hoopy Schloopy Tumpy Scump. Ooh, what do we got over here? What do we got?
Here comes his little buddy.